Let's spend the morning together getting ready while I get prepared for some hair content for today. I have been slacking on my hair content lately, and I apologize. But if you create content and you on all platforms, you get burnt out really quickly. And I'm coming in this phase of not knowing what I really want to post. I started off in the hair. I'm so deeply invested in hair. My content and my audience loves my hair, so I have to figure out a way to still keep that intertwined. I try to be authentic and give y'all my real life because I do not do my hair every day. And truth be told, I was a silk press natural. I still am a silk press natural. I'm getting my hair done on Thursday so I can get my ends trimmed before I get my braids because I want to keep my braids in for a long time. Trying the natural route, y'all, my hair do not last more than 3 to 4 days. This is not a sponsored post, but before I tried Pattern Beauty Palo Santo line, I would use any kind of shampoo, not shampoo that was tailored for my hair. I really thought it was a marketing thing that people advertise it for our hair. I always thought shampoo was shampoo, conditioner was conditioner, but the Pattern of Beauty, the way it leaves my hair feeling, the fluffiness, the hydration that it gives my curls, oh my goodness. I used to think my hair was way more damaged than what it was, but I was just using the wrong shampoo. Shampoo that's great for silk press, that leaves my hair manageable, straighter, that's gonna make it easy to blow dry. But this Palo Santo line leaves my hair feeling so fluffy and light and curly.
See, I'm in a results season. It's me versus me. Execute a plan, do it, produce results. I'm not in the phase of explaining.
Get ready with me. Event in Detroit. What you doing today? Where you going?
Doing the house. What is this?
They shorts.
They're not shorts. They are.
They what?
Orange.
Undies?
Yeah.
No, they're not. They shorts.
They're orange.
Stand up. They shorts, man.
I need the orange.
They undies.
Yeah, the orange.
Say what's up, y'all.
What's up?
I didn't go to school today.
I did do today.
Why didn't you go to school today?
Because I don't want to.
Go sit down.
Hey, don't do that to me. I want to talk. I want to talk to that.
You want to talk?
I want to talk to that.
To the camera?
Yeah.
Why?
To pick me up.
Why you want to talk to the camera?
Because I want to.
Okay.
Hi. I will buy my tour at my house.
You will?
I will buy it.
And what else?
Tina dummy.
King not coming?
No.
Why not?
It didn't tell me to my house.
King at school.
It didn't tell me. No. They tell me to.
Fall back. Fall back. Trust mommy? I'll catch you. Just fall back.
I didn't.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
One more.
One more?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3.
One more.
No. No more.
Petal. Let me take that one. I want to tell that. I did